When the cyclone season rolls in, the North Australian sky fascinates those living beneath it. A team of international scientists are on a mission to unlock some of its mysteries, and their work has caught the eye of the US Navy. Marty McCarthy reports.
It's the time of year storm chasers wait for. And this wet season has been no exception, with the Northern Territory, Western Australia and Queensland all recording at least one tropical cyclone. But it's the rate at which cyclones develop that has one international team of experts fascinated.
We'd like to know intrinsically what are some of the basic ingredients that control the rate of intensification. And forecasters need to know kind of a worst case scenario.
They also hope to predict at what point a cyclone will become more severe.
The models do very well with movement. They do relatively poorly in predicting the rate of intensification, whether a storm's going to intensify or decay. And that's a particular problem in the Australian region because a lot of storms develop near the coast, and so the forecast lead time can be quite short.
The research has sparked interest from the US Navy as the United States prepares to bolster its military presence in the region. Around 2,500 US Marines will rotate through Darwin over the next few years. So the Navy want to be prepared for all the challenges that come with working in these conditions and on these waters.
Severe storms can impact operations, basically evacuating a fleet from safe harbors. So these basic processes of understanding the severe weather over the ocean is really a primary interest for the Department of Defense.
Understanding the intensity of cyclones closer to the equator is another aim of the research.
We're working on an important paper right now basically explaining why storms tend to spin up in models much more rapidly near the equator, not on the equator, but at very low latitudes, 5, 10, 15 degrees north, south latitudes.
With the cyclone season well underway, there could be more answers on the horizon soon. Marty McCarthy, ABC News, Darwin.